Last time we saw the simple pool and sell model where farmers in a village jointly send their produce to nearby local towns or urban markets. The advantage of this model is that it requires no big storage facilities and no working capital. The key to success is often quality assessment. Each farmer's harvest needs to be measured in terms of quality using the same standards as the local market practices. Even in Amul dairy and other milk dairies, it is standard practice to measure the fat content, the solid non-fat content, amount of water added if any, and whether the milk is fresh or stale. Based on this, the price of the milk is fixed. Such a quality measurement is essential to be put in place right in the beginning for any type of agriculture producer cooperative. Without that, it will fail. Individual farmers have no incentive to bring in clean produce without stones, agri waste and so on. There is a tendency to bring in produce with high moisture content and so on. Quality assessment prevents this and thus allows the cooperative to sell at a profit. We illustrate this using the example of groundnut. The farmer's groundnut should have less than 2% of stones and dust. The moisture content needs to be below 8% and the price is adjusted based on a few other factors. First is the weight of seeds per 100 grams of pods. Next is the size of the seed. Third is the quantity of damaged seed, as some seeds are either shriveled or blackened. Based on this, the price is fixed. A short video now illustrates how this is done in the Federation Groundnut Mill of one of the groundnut cooperative movements that has been operating since 2004. It's important to note that in this video there are two levels of quality assessment. At the first level, the farmer brings his produce into the village cooperative where a quality assessment is done. Then all the produce of all the farmers in that particular village is taken on a truck to the Federation's processing unit. Just like it comes from several other villages, the Federation receives produce from hundreds of villages. At the Federation or the mill, there is a reassessment of quality. So the video will show you how precisely the quality assessment of groundnut is done.